Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and get tired of hearing the same annoying song pop up on Spotify over and over, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to block songs on Spotify in 2025. This feature is a total game changer for curating your perfect listening experience, helping you avoid unwanted tracks in recommendations, playlists, or radio stations. It's quick, easy, and works on both mobile and desktop apps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed. Spotify updates frequently, and this feature has been refined for 2025 to be more user-friendly. Open the app and log into your account, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. Step 1. Navigate to the song you want to block. This could be from your Discover Weekly, a shared playlist, or even while it's playing. Once you spot it, tap and hold on the song if you're on mobile, or right-click if you're on desktop. Step 2. From the menu that appears, look for the Block or Hide Song option. In 2025, Spotify has made this more prominent, so it should be easy to find, often under More Actions, or directly in the context menu. Step 3. Select the Block option, and Spotify will prompt you to confirm. This is just a safety measure to avoid any accidental blocks. Go ahead and confirm, and voila, the song is blocked. After blocking, the song won't show up in your personalized feeds, recommendations, or auto-generated playlists. Keep in mind, this doesn't remove it from any manual playlists you've created, so you'll have to delete it there if needed. If you change your mind, you can unblock it by going to your Spotify settings under Privacy and Data, and managing your blocked content. There you have it. Blocking songs on Spotify in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to control your music vibe. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.